How was your day, sweetie? How was your day, sweetie?
It was good, Mom. It was good, Mom.
Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework?
Almost, just a little more left. Almost, just a little more left.
Have you eaten lunch yet? Have you eaten lunch yet?
Yes, I had a sandwich. Yes, I had a sandwich.
Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth.
I will, Mom. I'm just finishing my game. I will, Mom. I'm just finishing my game.
Can you please clean your room today? Can you please clean your room today?
I will do after dinner, Mom. I will do it after dinner.
Can you help me set the table? Please? Can you help me set the table? Please?
Sure, I will do it now. Sure, I will do it now.
It's time to go to bed. It's time to go to bed.
Just 5 more minutes. Please. Just 5 more minutes. Please.
Can you feed the dog? Can you feed the dog?
I already fed the dog. I already fed the dog.
Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay?
I am just a bit sleepy. I am just a bit sleepy.
Do you want to watch a movie together tonight? Do you want to watch a movie together tonight?
Yes, let's watch something funny. Yes, let's watch something funny.
Don't forget to wear your jacket. It's cold outside. Don't forget to wear your jacket. It's cold outside.
Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom.
Be careful when you cross the road. Be careful when you cross the road.
I'll look both ways. I'll look both ways.